So at this URL, nachi.org/everything, nachi.org/everything, we have a 15-step checklist. And let's go there now. Step 1, well, you join Internachi. I'm sure you're already a member of Internachi. And there's different payment options. Internachi has a Home Inspector Certificate program that's free and online for members. And it's at that URL. And it's provided by the Internachi School, which is a nationally accredited home inspector college at internachi.edu. Go back to the step 1. Internachi is the world's leading organization of home inspectors. You can check out our membership stats, and there they are. So I'm in Colorado, and just about everybody lives, and all these are inspectors, so everybody lives, and our home inspector members are just following the population. So there we are. So you can take a look at that. We provide free online training and continuing education courses on our education page, and we also provide certification programs. So there's inspector certification programs, and right now we have a little bit more than 60 available. We hook you up with an inspection community, and that's an online inspection forum message board. We have inspector mentoring. So all of these things you get if you are a member. You can join a chapter in your area. We have member chapters. You can test yourself with the National Home Inspector exam. We have a practice test to practice testing yourself. We have a training app. There's the training app. We have inspection defect flashcards. All of these are available just because you're a member of Internachi. We have a home inspection business course. We have a marketing team and products and services. We have discounts on E&O insurance for your inspection vehicle. And we have membership benefits. And all of those things are provided to you because you're an Internachi member. The Internachi School is the only accredited home inspector college, and that's at internachi.edu, and that's our nice logo there. And at the bottom of that page, you can click the Home Inspector Certificate Program. You can check out Internachi's accreditation. You can check out the Home Inspector Success Tips and the Student Catalog. And that's step 1. Step 2 is you get trained. And the most important thing here to remember is we have over 60 different types of inspector certifications, not just the CPI certification, which is a federally registered credential, but you can become an electrical inspector, a radon tester, become part of the Move-In Certified program, mold inspector, infrared, and you just go down this list, on and on and on and on. We even have a well inspector if you wanted to be a well and certified well inspector. Step 3, get free job leads. Join Internachi, get trained and certified, and then get job leads, right? You want that phone to ring off the hook. Take the free business course. That's step 4. Make sure you know everything in addition to becoming a really good home inspector. You know how to operate a business. Step 5, get free marketing services. Internachi's member marketing team provides one-on-one consultation and marketing design services for free to members, including print marketing and logo design. We'll design and print your business cards, flyers, and brochures. We'll also design your business logo with you until you just get it right. And all the consultation, editing, proofing, design work is free for our members. Step 6, you got to be online with your business. We have the resources here on how to get your business online with a really nice website. Step 7, take advantage of your membership benefits and competitive advantages. Step 8, you boost your business with the buyback program and other things that we list here. Step 9, we have advanced training. If you want to really master your skills, here we are. Take advanced training. Step 10, purchase inspection equipment. It ain't just a flashlight. We have a recommended tool bag of master inspector tools and equipment. Step 11, write great reports. Every great home inspector writes great reports. And great reports, well, it's like your best marketing piece. And we have resources here on how to write a great report. Step 12, you got to take care of your clients, especially your past clients. They're like gold. And we show you how to do that. Step 13, don't miss out on anything. You got to keep in touch and keep up to date with things. It's a changing market, man. So Internachi is always, I would say, one of the best things you could do to stay up to date and not miss anything is subscribe to the Internachi newsletter. Use Internachi. We have nearly 30 full-time staff members at Internachi that work for you because you're a member of Internachi. Step 5, grow your business. We have resources for you to grow your business. That's why I wanted to share the 15-step checklist, nachi.org/everything.